Hi, James McCloskey from Remax Realty Enterprises. I'm here in beautiful Alton Village, one of Burlington's premier communities. Why is it one of the premier communities? 3 top-ranked schools, lots of parks, library, local gym, easy access to shopping, easy access to the Highway 407 and QEW, about 10 minutes to the GO train, and it's a great family-friendly community. I'm here at my new listing at 4641 Keystone Crescent. 4-bed, 3-bath, but it has some unique features. I got an upstairs balcony. I have a separate side entrance, so if you're running a business or need privacy for your office, it's fantastic. Let's go for a tour here at 4641 Keystone Crescent. The home has a stunning exterior featuring stone and brick facade, custom stone steps and entrance, and a unique second floor balcony to enjoy your morning coffee or evening glass of wine. The 2-story foyer features double doors, large closet, and extra storage area. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, ceramic floors, backsplash, and has a large eat-in area with walkout to balcony and backyard. The living room has a stunning hardwood floors, 3-sided gas fireplace, bay window, and built-in entertainment unit. The formal dining room has coffered ceilings, pot lights, and hardwood floors. The great room features a 2-story ceiling, great open concept layout, walkout to your private balcony with 2 doors, and it's a great spot to cozy up and watch movies with the family. The upstairs features 4 large bedrooms with great natural light and large closets. The principal bedroom has large windows, a large walk-in closet, 5-piece ensuite with deep soaker tub, stunning glass shower, and double vanity. The finished basement has some very unique and impressive features with a separate side entrance, high ceilings, 2 bedrooms or used as an office, great open concept recreation room, large windows, stunning jewel stone flooring, and extra storage. The home is a stunning Fernbrook built 4+2 bed, 3-bath, 2,550 square feet with stunning finished basement with a separate side entrance. A great option for larger families, in-law suite, or those looking for privacy while working from home. Well, hope you enjoyed the tour here today at 4641 Keystone Crescent here in beautiful Alton Village. Send me a message, give me a call. I'll be happy to give you a private tour, answer any questions that you have, take you on a private walkthrough. Follow me on social media at #HomeJamesRemax. Help us share this video and help us find the new owners. And have yourself a beautiful day.